Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Tuesday, April 28, 2026, covering key movements in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly down today, starting with the S&P 500 index, which closed at 7,139.24, down 34.68. Despite this drop, it is in a very strong positive trend but showed a sideways price movement over the last 3 days. Overall market indices ended the day lower. The Nasdaq Composite Index, down 223.30 at 24,663.80, saw declining breadth with 1,712 stocks down and 1,165 up. The Russell 2000 Index experienced thinner declines. The indexes showed varying returns. The S&P 500 Index experienced a steady upward momentum with a month-to-date total return of 9.35%. Conversely, this week's totals are negative with slight week-to-date declines across the board. Energy led gains, breaking out positively after 3 flat days, closing at 882.25, up 1.6%. Real estate also ended higher, continuing a strong positive trend with a 0.99% rise to 279.23. The technology sector struggled today, closing down 1.2% at 6,085.39. but maintaining a very strong positive trend. Communication services managed to break even, showing strength among the sectors. Global markets exhibited positive movements. Italy made notable progress, emerging from sideways movement and closing at 57.56. Similarly, Israel continued its strong positive trend, closing at 127.60 after 2 days of consecutive rises. Month-to-date performances varied positively for global ETFs. Norway shines with a year-to-date total return nearing 27.55%, indicating significant upward momentum. Meanwhile, Israel emerges strong with a monthly return of 9.96%. In today's market, Apple closed at 270.71, up 3.10, maintaining a very strong upward trend despite 3 days of flat movement. Meanwhile, Alphabet ended at 347.50, down 1.2, yet it continues on a strong upward momentum. Amazon fell 1.42 to 259.70, marking 2 consecutive declines but retains a strong positive trajectory. Meta Platforms saw a 7.28 drop to 671.34, still possessing a positive trend, albeit a 3-day stagnation. Finally, Nvidia declined 3.54 to 213.7, albeit keeping a very strong upward trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 76,403.12, down 961.30. marking a 2-day downward streak amidst a mixed positive trend. Ethereum follows a similar path, trading at 2,297.76, down 5.68, also with a positive pattern. BNB experiences a mixed negative trend, trending downward at 624.11. Solana hits 83.88, following a strong negative trend post a sideways breakout. Interestingly, Dogecoin dollars the trend, currently up, resting at 0.0997 with a flat 6-day track. Continuing with crypto returns, despite short-term downturns, Bitcoin shows resilience with a month-to-date gain of 11.99%. Ethereum's month-to-date return is at 9.23%, demonstrating strength amidst volatility. BNB and Solana face challenges with significant year-to-date declines. Meanwhile, Dogecoin gains ground, reflecting positive momentum against broader losses.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently showing mixed trends against key world currencies. Against the euro, it's slightly up at 0.8535, though it's under a strong negative trend and has been flat for 6 days. Meanwhile, it's up to 0.7395 against the British pound, showing strength for 2 consecutive days, despite an overall negative trend. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback is notably strong, up to 159.592, marking 2 days of gains with a very strong upward trend. Furthermore, against the Swiss franc, the dollar has rallied to 0.7892, continuing a 3-day rise with a positive trend following an upward breakout from flat trading. Lastly, versus the Australian dollar, it's at 1.3918, but the overall strong negative trend persists.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.